Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Thanks.io. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically send a postcard via Thanks.io. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and Thanks.io is a cloud-based direct mailing platform. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Thanks.io. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and Thanks.io. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Thanks.io. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. Okay, so I'm going to give a name to this workflow. The name is PayKickstart to Thanks.io. Okay, so just click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart, because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. Now in the trigger event, you want to make it as transaction sales. Now transaction sales is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a transaction sales happen, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like fulfillment delivered, fulfillment on queue, fulfillment on hold, subscription trial expiring, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data from the PayKickstart when a new transaction sales happens. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is that we are trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart. Okay, so in the campaigns, you will find an option called as products. So I'm going to integrate this particular product. Okay, so this is the product that I'm interested in integrating with. So t-shirt it is. So just click on this edit button. So when you click on this edit button, you will be brought to the edit page, and here at the bottom you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. So scroll up and at the top you will find the IPN URL. Here you will find a button called as add. Click this. So we have to fill in the IPN URL here. So your obvious question is where we can find the IPN URL. So IPN URL is basically your webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the IPN URL or the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, excellent. So let us check whether we have entered the correct URL. Okay, so this is the URL. Yes, excellent. Now in the set event, how about we make it as transaction sales? Okay, so we have entered the IPN URL and we have set the event as transaction sales. Now at the top you will find the option called as save. Click this. Okay, so it is showing that the product has been integrated with Pabbly Connect. So this means any variation that is brought to this product will be reflected in Pabbly Connect. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let us go to PayKickstart, and how about we make a dummy transaction in PayKickstart. So let us go to campaigns once more, and I'm going to click on the checkout page. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just going to click on the checkout link. So here you can find the checkout link of this product. I'm basically opening this in a new tab. Open this. Okay, so proceed with the order. Okay, so how about we enter a dummy name, this is the details of a dummy customer. So the name is Diana, and the name is Prince or Charles. Okay, like Princess Diana, and House of Windsor. Okay, 123@gmail.com. Okay, so these are the details. Just click on next step. So these are the billing details. Okay, and I'm just going to enter the phone number. Okay, just click on next step, and I'm going to complete the purchase. Okay, so as you can see, a purchase of 149 rupees has been made. So since Pabbly Connect is now integrated with PayKickstart, let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So let me go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for the data. So give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the data has arrived. So these are the details, and this is the billing address. Okay, this is the billing address too. This is the city, this is the billing country, this is the state, and this is the zip code. This is the email. Excellent. So we have got all the details. Okay, of course this is the first name and this is the last name. Okay, so now we are going to sync all this data into thanks.io to create a postcard and even send it. Okay, so to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, let's make it as thanks.io. Okay, so now in the action event, since we are interested in sending a postcard, so we are going to select a postcard. So we are interested in sending this a smaller one, that is 4x6 postcard. So okay, so now there are many more action events like create a recipient, update a recipient, create sub account, send letter, and so on. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send a postcard of 4x6. So okay, 4x6 size. Okay, so just click on connect with thanks.io. Okay, so now in the new credentials, we have to fill in the token. So your obvious question is how I'm supposed to find the token. It's actually pretty easy. Let's go to thanks.io. Okay, so scroll on this setting button. Here you will find API access. Click this. Okay, so this is the page of API access. Scroll down and you will find personal access tokens. At the side you will find the button, plus button. Click this. We are going to add a token or create a token. So the name I am going to give is PayKickstart. I'm just going to click on create. Okay, so this is the token we want. Simply copy all of this. Okay, copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so in the new credentials, all the details has been entered. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to send a postcard from the data that we have received from PayKickstart. But before we sync in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, for example, in the image template, it is showing as first postcard. Let's expand this and you will find the second postcard. So let me go to thanks.io and let me explain what is going on. So as you can see in the image templates, we have two templates, that is the first card and the second card. So how about we create one more card, and this time this name is third postcard. Okay, so I'm going to choose a file. Okay, so the photo is this. Just click on save. Okay, so this is a big photo. Okay, so the a postcard has been made. Excellent. Okay, so when we go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this, you can actually find the third postcard. Okay, my point is anytime a variation is bought in thanks.io, since it is integrated with Pabbly Connect, it will be reflected also here. But I'm still going to use the first postcard as my image template. Now in the handwriting style, how about we make it as a Foxy Lady? Okay, nothing in particular, just or we can make it as a lazy note, anything according to your discretion. So the note is something like this: thanks for the purchase. Thanks for the purchase of this product. The name of the product is, I think it was t-shirt. Yes, the product t-shirt worth, I think it was for 149. Okay, this is the amount. Okay, so this is a small message that I'm going to add on my image template. And then we have the name. The name is Diana, and then we have Charles. Okay, and then we have address. We are going to map in the address if you want. Okay, we are going to map in the address. Okay, similarly, if you want, you can add the city. City is Bhopal. Province or state. State is Madhya Pradesh. Postal code or the zip code. Okay, so this is the zip code, and the country is India. Okay, so basically we have filled all the details. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent to thanks.io. So let's have a look at the postcard that it has sent. So where can we find the postcard? So okay, let's go to the dashboard. So let's go. Okay, so this is the postcard that it has sent. Okay, let me have a look at the preview. Okay, so this is the postcard and this is the address. Okay, so the presence of this postcard shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart and thanks.io with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me minimize my action window and let me minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to thanks.io. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and thanks.io. Excellent. So how about we make one more dummy sale in PayKickstart. So I've copied the checkout link, and then I'm opening in a new tab. So this time his name is Harvey, and then we have a Dent. Okay, Renzler123@gmail.com. Then click on next. How about we select the Honduras and select the region as this 91313239111. Okay, so okay, how about we change this address also, G10. That's enough. Bhopal, no. Okay, let's keep it as Bhopal. Okay, just click on next, complete purchase. Okay, so let's have a look in thanks.io. Let's refresh this. Let's go to the dashboard and refresh this. Okay, so it is showing there has been a delivery. So let's have a look at the preview. Yes, we have sent the postcard to Harvey Dent. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime transaction sales happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected via postcard through thanks.io.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.